Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain about what is data science and what are the possible way we can do the data science. So first let us look into what is data science. Data science, it is the study of data. It's a method of recording, storing, analyze the data to effectively extract and discovering the useful information from structural and unstructured data, so that this is a very important. It's a recording, storing and analyzing data, and from this here we need to extract and discovering the useful information. From where? From structural unstructured data which is stored on the data mining or big data. To extract the data, we may use the scientific method like a statistical and analyze the data analysis method. This is what data science. In this data science, there is a lot of concept called machine learning, artificial intelligence. So while looking to the next step, let me explain what is machine learning. Machine learning, it is similar to artificial intelligence. It's a subset of artificial intelligence. So what is machine learning? Machine learning, it's a building mathematical models based on the sample data which is given on the train data. Training data mean which is given the input data, past input data, in order to predict the prediction or decision without being explicitly programmed to perform the task. This is the main purpose of the machine learning. Machine learning, let me explain one more time. Machine learning, it's a main purpose, it's a build the mathematical model based on the past data or trained data to able to predict the model prediction or make a decision without explicitly programmed. For in a real case, you can take this is the examples, and these are the examples where we are machine learning is really implemented. One is the email filtering, Google image recognition for Google Pixel. Lot of where we are using, for example, when we upload a lot of photo, if we choose any specific person, the specific person all related photo will automatically recognize, that is the image recognition. And the mobile phone also, we can use it for face recognition and speech recognition, and e-commerce suggested items and classification, and the bank loans. And for respective persons, depends on their income and other criteria, age, we can know how much loan we can give. These are everything, it will automatically categorized without any human intervention, just by giving the input. This is called the machine learning. So what is artificial learning? Artificial learning is almost similar to machine learning, and with this artificial learning, it's a application of machine learning. It's a applied science of machine learning, you can consider like this. So robots make a decision depends on their past data. For example, John Deere, the vehicle, agriculture vehicle, using the visual data analytics whether or not a plan to pest in a treat within a pesticide, depends on the land, on the which is the best place to do this kind of operation. It will automatically plan and do the best operations. So this is about the data science. So data science, you usually understood what is data science and machine learning and artificial intelligence. And the next slide, I am going to explain about how can we implement and get a benefit. To get a benefit from the data science, we need to go through some of the process that is called the 7 steps. And through implementing these 7 steps, we can get the business objective or goals. You know the business objective in the recent technology and everywhere. In everywhere, wherever you going to the science like medical and health science, or else if you are going to automobile industry, or if you are going to finance, or if you are going to bank, everywhere data is deployed. So using this data, how can we make our business better? That is the first business problem. So first we need to understand the business problem, what we are going to needs to do with the metrics, which metrics we need to improve, what is the key element we need to improve it. For example, to improve the bank, how can we improve the bank profit, in which way, in which area, if we dimension, if we focus on that, our business will be benefited. And if you are looking into the sales perspective also, if in which geographical area, if we focus on that, our company will grow. And if e-commerce website also, what are the new products are coming and what is the new trends, these are everything to analyze that to business problem. Data science is important. So that is the first point I'm mentioning, understand the business problem. First thing is, then the second one is data acquisition. Once we understand the data problem, we need to acquire all the data through web server. If it is a semi-structural, mean web server log, or if it is structural, mean database and API online repository. Through this different input, we need to acquire the data. Once we acquire the data, then we need to make a data preparation, because we just straightforwardly use this raw data into the data analysis. We need to do some kind of preparation, that is called data preparation. It is come with the 3C: data collection, data cleaning, and consolidation into the one file or a data table. Please remember one more things: data collection and cleaning and consolidation. So this three way we will perform this data preparation. Once we collecting the data, we are going to exploratory data analysis. It is called EDA. Exploratory, the name itself, it is mentioned that exploratory. So it is used, once collect the data, we are going to analyze the data set and summarize their main characteristics. In another term, we can mention key terms. Then finally we are going to visualize the method. This is the way we are going to do this. Then the final one is data modeling. Data modeling is a very important term, because before we are going to present anything to customer or going to take any decision, this is the final and important key element to have a data modeling. It's a collection of concepts to describe the structure of database. So data modeling is very important. I am going to explain it in the next part. So next slide. So please have eye on this. So it's a collection of concept to describe the structure of the database, because structure of the database means how each metrics, for example, if you consider into the e-commerce website, each customer, how they purchase the product, and this product how it is relevant to the another customer. So it is having some structural and it is a relation to one another data. That is called data modeling. And so how we are having this data modeling, I am going to explain detail in the next slide. And once we get the data modeling, we need to visualize and communicate to the customer using Tableau and Power BI. It's a business analytics, it will come, and through this also they will get a clear insight about what is happening in the real-time world. Then we need to deploy and maintain the real-time analytics. So these are the 7 steps very important in the data science. Okay, then next we will go to the next one, data modeling. Data modeling. Testing 1 2 3 3 2 1. ஏன்டா